So, may nagtanong kung ilan nga yung gas consumption ng BYD Seal 5. Uuwi tayo ngayon and check natin yung gas consumption. Please watch until the end para ma-check nyo yung gas consumption ng BYD Seal 5. So, 13 kilometers yung distance ng work tsaka sa bahay. So, i-check natin kung ilan nga ba, ano? So, syempre, HEV tayo. Para magamit natin yung pagka-hybrid niya, gawin natin siyang HEV. Hindi pure EV, kundi HEV. So yung battery natin is 75% and 665 km yung kanyang gas.
Into my soul and breathe me like nobody can. And she doesn't judge the man, she just takes me as I am. Come what may, she believes in that faith is something I never know. And who's right, I'm loving me. Come what may, she believes. you see. As long as you love me.
Feels like it's deep within me. As long as you love me. As long as you
So, nakarating na tayo dito sa bahay. And i-check natin yung consumption natin ng gas and electric. So, ayan siya. 12.2 kilometer, 0.3 liter yung fuel consumption, and 0.7 kilowatt hour yung kanyang power. 0.5 hours of driving or 30 minutes driving, yun yung consumption natin. Sobrang tipid niya. Sobrang tipid niya. Walang nakakatalo sa katipiran. Sobrang nakakatulong tong BYD ngayon sa consumption sa gas. So yun lang. Click subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Bye!